Good morning. Come on into my kitchen. It's so peaceful in here right now. The absolute perfect time to just slow down and start the day together. Tell me, do you ever wake up and feel like your fingers need a little extra time to wake up before the rest of you does? You try to make a fist, but your hands are just feeling a bit stiff. Even simple things like holding your favorite morning mug or buttoning a shirt just don't feel quite as easy as they used to. If that sounds familiar, you are absolutely not alone.
Today, I'm making a really simple, warm drink using something you probably already have sitting quietly right in your cupboard. I'm grabbing 2 dried culinary bay leaves. Yep, the exact same leaves we use to flavor our favorite soups and stews. Just imagine their scent for a second. It's wonderfully warm, herbal, and slightly spicy, isn't it? Bay leaves are such a fantastic aromatic herb, and they actually contain natural plant compounds and antioxidants.
So I'm pouring exactly 2 cups of fresh water into this small pot here, and I'm just gonna set it on the stove to bring it to a gentle boil.
While we wait for that to heat up, I want to be super clear about something. While plants like this do have natural antioxidants, this tea is simply a peaceful morning ritual. It's a gentle herbal remedy to help soothe and relax. It is absolutely not a medical treatment or some kind of cure-all, and it won't magically fix stiff joints or restore mobility.
As our water gets warmer, it's good to keep in mind that hand stiffness can happen for a few different reasons. Sometimes it's really just a temporary feeling after a long night of resting, but for others, it can actually be related to an underlying joint condition. We always need to listen to our bodies. Please don't ignore it if your fingers are regularly swollen, feel warm to the touch, or are truly painful. That is your body's way of asking for proper attention. For instance, if you have morning stiffness that lasts longer than 30 minutes after you get out of bed, that can actually be a symptom of conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. And that requires a proper medical diagnosis to protect your hand mobility and keep you independent.
Our water is at a gentle boil now, so I'm just dropping the 2 bay leaves right into the pot. I'll lower the heat, and we're gonna let them simmer quietly for about 5 minutes.
There is absolutely no need to rush. As the leaves warm up, this beautiful, gentle herbal aroma is starting to fill the kitchen. Taking your time to prepare a warm drink unhurriedly like this, it's really a lovely act of self-care.
Okay, it's in 5 minutes, so I'm turning off the heat now. I'll pop the lid on the pot, and we're going to let the tea quietly steep for another 5 minutes. While we wait, you might want to use this quiet time to gently move your hands. Just open and close them in whatever way feels comfortable for you today. We're not forcing anything, and we certainly aren't pushing through any pain. Just listening to the body and starting the morning nice and slow. Now our tea is ready. I'm pouring it very carefully through a strainer right into my cup. We want to make absolutely sure every single piece of that tough bay leaf is safely removed before we drink, because they stay quite stiff even after boiling. Just look at that beautiful golden color in the cup. It looks and smells so incredibly warm and comforting. If you enjoy a little sweetness, you can totally add a teaspoon of honey or maybe a slice of fresh lemon for a bright taste. But that is completely optional. Honestly, it is wonderful just exactly as it is. Now, I do want to warmly remind you that this is just a comforting homemade wellness drink. It is not a substitute for proper medical care. Because herbs can sometimes interact with other things we take, anyone with persistent joint symptoms or who is currently taking medications, their healthcare professional. Tomorrow morning, I really hope you take a few quiet minutes just for yourself. Make something warm, move gently, listen to your body. Because growing older doesn't mean we stop caring for the little things that help us feel comfortable. Have a beautiful morning and take good care of those hands. Tell me, what simple, quiet ritual will you try tomorrow morning to show yourself a little extra care?